Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to turn off dark mode on WhatsApp for PC following the latest updates. This process is straightforward and will only take a few clicks. First, let's start by opening the WhatsApp app on your PC. Once it's open, you'll notice a gear icon located on the left side of the screen. This icon represents the settings menu, so click on it to proceed. Now that you're in the settings menu, look for the Personalization tab. Click on it to access the personalization options available for your WhatsApp app. Under the personalization options, you'll find a section labeled Theme. Here, you have the option to choose between different themes for your WhatsApp interface. To turn off dark mode, simply select Light from the drop-down menu. This will switch your WhatsApp app from a dark background to a lighter one, which can be easier on the eyes during the day or in well-lit environments. After selecting the light theme, click OK to save your changes. That's it. You've successfully turned off dark mode on WhatsApp for PC. Now, you can enjoy using WhatsApp with a brighter and more traditional interface. If you're someone who prefers the dark mode for its aesthetic appeal or to reduce eye strain, especially in low light conditions, you can easily switch back to it by following the same steps and selecting dark instead. However, if you find that the light mode suits your preferences better, you can stick with it. Remember, these steps apply to the latest version of WhatsApp for PC, so ensure your app is updated to access these features. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and updates on using WhatsApp and other popular apps. Thanks for watching.